I'm Lori Todd. I'm the president of ASAP NJ, and we're here at the 33rd annual conference, Stressed for Success, helping students find balance.
What's your favorite part or memory about this event?
I just love collaborating with other professionals who find themselves in similar situations, and I have a lot of questions, and it's nice to see how other school districts handle different situations.
We all have one of the best jobs in the world. I love what I do, and I feel privileged to work with the students that I work with.
And that's really what it's all about. It takes, there's a lot of resources out there to support people that might be struggling. The big problem we have now is people that need the help aren't aware of the resources that are available. So connecting the dots, bringing everybody together, helping people get the help they need it's why we're here as a company and why I'm here personally.
There's not a lot of people that have our job, so to have us all come together in one place and be able to talk about what we do with other people that know exactly what we do and the things we deal with, it's a very special event.
We're happy to have everyone at this unbelievable professional development opportunity with almost 50 speakers to choose from. Our 2-day conference is packed with wonderful exhibitors, wonderful colleagues, and building connections with each other.
Wow, that sounds so wonderful. What would you say to a new SAC that might be a little hesitant, or they're like, oh, I'm not sure yet? What would you say to someone who like that?
I would say try it. Don't knock it until you try it, because you'll have a great time, and it's been a great experience, and I'm happy that I came.
I love to have new SACs come in because they have a lot of energy. It's a rough job at times with some of the things that we deal with, but having newcomers come in, welcome. Just come in and start talking to people. So
Jump in, right? We're all here to help, so we have SACs all over the state of New Jersey with varying interests, degrees, specializations, and we're so easy to talk to and open. So if you have any questions, we're all here to help. So jump in.
You should definitely do it. Connections are the foundation of getting help or helping others to grow. So definitely come, share what your knowledge is, and can grow from there together. That's all I got.